The hormone that regulates the serum calcium level. Options are parathyroid hormone, calcitonin, vitamin D3, and all of the above. So there are three hormones for calcium balance. One is parathormone, another one is vitamin D3, which is known as calcitriol, and the calcitonin. They are the three hormones that regulate the calcium. And there are three organs: the bone, GIT, as well as the kidneys. They affect the three glands. So parathormone increases the serum calcium level. Vitamin D3 also increases the serum calcium level, while on the other hand, calcitonin decreases the serum calcium level. So parathormone increases the serum calcium level by increasing the calcium reabsorption from the kidneys at the level of DCT. At the level of PCT, it excretes the phosphate into the urine by decreasing the phosphate reabsorption, excretes the phosphate in the urine. This is the action of PTH on kidneys. Vitamin D3 at the level of kidney, if you see PCT, it is going to increase the phosphate reabsorption also. At the level of DCT, it is going to increase the calcium reabsorption also. So this is the distinguishing feature between parathormone and vitamin D3. Parathormone is going to increase the calcium level, decrease the phosphate level. Vitamin D3 increases the calcium level, also increases the phosphate level. And the opposite action is of calcitonin. Calcitonin decreases the serum calcium level. So all of these three regulates the serum calcium level. So answer to this question is going to be all of the above.